I think we learn the best when we learn from others, so I'm excited to learn from the best of the best. I'm also really excited to find out what all the buzz is about.
I'm most excited to learn and meet and network with all the other industry leaders and colleagues in my business.
The opportunity to network, learn from the best, and share best practices.
Meeting some new people.
Being in a sociable atmosphere and seeing people face to face again.
I'm most excited to finally start networking with individuals and to meet some of the most influential speakers within real estate.
Getting back together with friends and realtors again and seeing on stage Andrew Prairie and Jeff Margulies battle it out.
Quite frankly, I'm really excited to finally put faces to these names that we've come to know online and learn from these industry leaders and find out what's working for them and implement it into our own businesses. Come check out the buzz.
We'll see you on the 31st.